Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be taking a look at everything I'm packing to travel across Asia, so let's jump into it. So jumping straight into the backpack, the most important part of a backpacking trip. This is the Osprey Farpoint 55 litre, so this is a combination of two bags. You get the 40 litre Farpoint backpack, which is arguably the most popular travel backpack that you see most people with. But this one is also paired with a 15 litre day pack, which can attach to the bag, or this can also operate as a separate standalone bag, which you can then take on as hand luggage or just use it as a regular rucksack. Now, in terms of storage compartments, the bags do differ slightly. So with the actual main 40 litre bag, there's no external compartments or pockets to the bag itself. You get a couple of netted pockets on the inside, but that is it. If you want external pockets, you'll need to equip the 15 litre to it, which you'll see I'm doing on the video now. And on that 15 litre, you get a small pocket at the very top of the bag, which is where you can keep easy access things like your passport. And then you also get a couple of water bottle holders to hang on the front. There's also various hooks and tabs where you can hang carabiners and other various things off. But overall, the pockets on the outside are not a huge selection. Now, onto what is actually going inside the bag, which is vitally important. I have packed everything inside packing cubes, which I got from Amazon. These are compression ones. So in the first one here, we've got 4 t-shirts, 3 pairs of shorts and a pair of swim shorts. That's going to be obviously my regular day-to-day clothing. Inside this smaller packing cube, I have a pair of jeans and a waterproof jacket. I'm hoping I'm not going to need the waterproof jacket too much, but with Asia, you never really know. And then inside this one, I have 6 pairs of boxers and 6 pairs of socks, plus obviously the clothes I'm taking out there. So in total, I'm going to have 5 shirts, 4 shorts, a pair of jeans, and then a week's worth of underwear. It's a microfiber towel. Regular towels obviously are a bit large to be taking in a backpack. A lot of accommodation that we're going to be staying in will have towels included, so this is just going to be for places where it isn't. I've then got this little Uniqlo shoulder bag. It's going to be my day-to-day bag for carrying bits and pieces around. I'll probably have my phone, passport and wallet and stuff inside here, just so it's not in a pocket. I know pickpocketing is not a major issue, but better safe than sorry. I'd rather keep the bag on me. You can see it all fits quite nicely in here as well. Still plenty of space in the bag, and we do have luggage straps as well to tighten everything down. Then I have my wash bag. This is just a really old wash bag I've had for years. It's from Superdry. There's not going to be loads in here. I'm only really going to be taking sun cream as kind of the only liquids, and then deodorant and body wash, etc. I'll be buying out there. Since I'll be traveling with a few friends, we've decided we're just going to buy a big bottle of each everywhere we go and just kind of share it between us. So now onto the 15 litre day pack. This is where I'm going to be carrying my more important stuff, my tech accessories and anything that's a little bit more expensive. So the first thing going in is my headphones. These are the Sony WH-1000 XM4s. Absolutely amazing noise cancelling for flying. Couldn't recommend them more. Then I've just got a chest mount for my action camera. Not sure why I'm carrying this in my day pack. I'm not going to be using it very often. Then we've got a little tech pouch. I bought this off of TikTok shop. This cost me about £3 or £4 just to keep all my cables organised. I've got a battery pack in there as well. And then we get the other side open, and inside here I've just got a second SD card as well as the additional batteries for my DJI camera. So we're going to load that into the bag as well. Just got a pack of playing cards. Again, these probably aren't going to be used very often, but if we have a quiet night in and want something to do, then it's something to keep us entertained. And then we've got a universal plug adapter. This is going to be very handy traveling through various countries, rather than buying a separate plug everywhere, just one to cover them all. Then I have my DJI Mic Minis, which I'm currently using to record this audio. So it's going to be helpful for vlogging. And then I have my camera itself, which I'm going to be using for most of my vlogs. This is the DJI Action 5 Pro, and I just have it on a little tripod, which is extendable, that I got from Amazon, which is pretty handy. I do have the official selfie stick as well, which is packed into the main bag, as well as a slightly larger tripod as well if I need it. And then last but not least, I just have a little torch just in case. I know phone torches are so good nowadays, but if I really need a bright torch, then I've just got a little something in there for an emergency. So there you guys have it. That's everything I have currently packed in my bag. I do still have a couple of little bits that I need to get added in, such as an air tag. I need to pack my sliders, and I'm also going to pick up some other little bits like some laundry detergent sheets just to make my life easier when trying to wash my clothes while traveling. But from a clothing perspective, everything that I've packed in there is all I'm really going to take. I do have some spare packing cubes inside the bag as well, so if I do pick up anything while I'm away, I can easily reorganize stuff and change things around inside the bag to make the space work. So that's all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Do remember, if you want to see more travel content and travel vlogs coming soon, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like if you've enjoyed this video. Thanks guys, I'll see you later.